Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to activate dark mode on X. So let's open X application on my phone, and I want to tap my profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now in this menu you have to scroll to settings and privacy. As you can see, your settings are divided into several sections. Let's go to accessibility, display and languages section. Now from here go to display and sound. Now under display tab you want to find dark mode option. And finally, at the very top of your page, you should see this option that says dark mode, and let's enable it. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.